So far, none of our problems have had remainders. So it's time to talk a little bit about remainders and what to do with them with word problems. Sometimes when you divide and you get a remainder when solving a word problem, and you think about the situation in that word problem, you realize the remainder is not needed. For example, Fred's favorite carnival ride is the Whirly Cups. Each time he rides, it costs 7 tickets. If he bought 90 tickets, how many times can he ride the Whirly Cups? So I know he has tickets, 90 of them, and it costs 7 to ride the Whirly ride or the Whirly Cups. So what I need to know is how many times could he ride if each one is 7 tickets? My dividend in this case is 90. It's the number that is to be divided. All those tickets dividing up to ride the ride. The divisor is the number in each group. In each group, I know I have 7 tickets. So the quotient is the number of groups, or the number of times that he can ride. Let's look at the standard algorithm for this one. 90 divided by 7. First, I need to look at my tens. 9 tens divided by 7 would be 1. 1 times 7 is 7. And I subtract, find out how many tens I have left, and bring down my 0. Now I have 20 ones. 2 tens left over would be 20 ones. 20 divided by 7 would be 2. I can make 2 groups of 7 with 20, which would be 14, and there would be 6 left over. So in this case, if he only has 6 tickets, can he do anything with 6 tickets if Whirly Cups cost 7? Nope. This time the remainder is not needed. So how many times could he ride the Whirly Cups? 12. Sometimes when you're solving division word problems and you get a remainder, you actually need to use that remainder, and you need to use that remainder to increase your answer to the next whole number. For example, a group of 9,469 students is going on a rafting trip. Each raft holds 7 students. How many rafts will the students need? So I know I have a lot of students, 9,469 of them, and they're going on a rafting trip, and they need rafts, and each raft holds 7. So how many rafts will they need? I know how many goes in each group. I need to know how many groups. In this case, my dividend, 9,469, is divided by 7, the number in each group, in order to find out the number of groups. Let's use the standard algorithm for this one. 9,469 divided by 7. We'll start with 9,000. How can I divide 9 thousands among 7? 9 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7, and I subtract because I would have 2 thousands left over. If I bring down my 4, I'm bringing down my 4 in the hundreds because I have 24 hundreds now to divide by 7. 24 divided by 7 is 3 because 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract, and I have 3 hundreds left over. Bring down my 6, and I have 36 tens to divide by 7. 36 divided by 7 is 5 because 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract, and I have 1 10 left over. Bring down my 9. 19 ones divided by 7 is 2 because 2 times 7 is 14. And if I subtract, I have a remainder of 5. Now in this case, I need to use that 5. That's 5 students. Can't just leave them on the shore. They need a raft too. So my answer wouldn't be 1,352 because I would need a raft for that last group of 5. My answer would be 1,353.